Look at this beautiful exhaust. Shout out to the boys at Concept Z Performance for the awesome customer service and shipping. And shout out Motordyne for such a quality titanium exhaust. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having a great day. Good morning, Bean.
Morning, Hank.
Good morning, Brain. Good morning, everybody. Today we will be installing the Motordyne catback exhaust on Brian's 370Z. First modification, we got to get rid of these stock boys because this 370Z is way too quiet. So as you can tell from that exhaust clip, very docile, but that's gonna change today. Step one, got the 370 on jack stands. Very sturdy, pretty straightforward. Again, exhaust install, we got the hangers up there on each side, take off the muffler. We got the hanger to the resonators down there. And then there's another couple of hangers where the cats are. Should be pretty straightforward, shouldn't take too long. Probably see if we can just drop all the pieces at once, but we do have this bottom brace update. So we got the first part unloosened right after the white pipe there. We'll go ahead and use our all right, I'm gonna set you guys down. See, just pop this Johnny on, give her a good squeeze. Bitch, fuck, give her a good wiggle and it should just pop right in. So part one, got the resonators out, very easy, couple bolts and hangers. Now I'm gonna work on getting the muffler out. Part two, got the muffler out. Now we gotta get the parts that connect to the cat. Final update, got the muffler off, of course, the resonator, and we got the white pipe off. Pretty self-explanatory. Are you gonna start it?
Yeah, hold on.
I'll give you that cat back, or yeah, cat back with nothing else. Start. Now it's time to assemble the Motordyne. We'll start from the white pipe to the resonator and then to the mufflers here. I like how they engineered this. Exhaust flows through the pipe and then into this reservoir here and then right back out, and it gives it that genuine R35 GTR exhaust note. Update, so we got the Motordyne white pipe in, utilizing the stock cat bolt until Brian gets some high flows. So here we have a V-band clamp. So with the Motordyne resonator and throughout the rest of the exhaust, the V-band, the two pipes will connect, and then the V-band clamp will clamp both pipe, male and female, together. These should be pretty tight, I believe like 40 or 35 pounds per square inch. We're gonna go ahead and button up the rest of the exhaust, tighten everything down to spec, start it, check for leaks, and then we're gonna go on a nice test drive. Cool, so we got the white pipe on, resonator on, and these two straight pipes with the V-band clamps. Right now, Brian is working on putting the exhaust tips on the rest of the cat there. And we're pretty much good. We'll go ahead and torque all the rest of the V-band clamps down to spec. Update, we got the full Motordyne catback exhaust in. Everything tightened to spec. All V-band clamps above the rear sub brace for clearance on the road. Just got the titanium tips in. Sweet, so exhaust went very smooth, no leaks, give it like 500 miles and the exhaust note will be deeper and a little bit louder. Good job, everybody. So right now, Sears is having a liquidation sale, and we're gonna go see what cool tools and low pro jacks we can find. So like I mentioned, Sears having a liquidation sale. Let's see what we can come up on. Literally everything we wanted is already gone. What a bummer. What's good? So it's like the next 3 or 4 days after the last clip. I don't know what happened. After Sears, we just drove home and just played on the simulation rig and ate ice cream and then didn't film anything after that. But it is currently Tuesday night. Brian just got in some cold air intakes, and when I was editing this part of the video is only like 5 minutes long, so I'm gonna bust out another 5 minutes, hopefully installing some cold air intakes. Just getting ready real quick. Look at all this content coming soon to the channel. Just waiting on one more part for the prelude, and this guy is lagging hardcore and I'm getting kind of irritated. I'm gonna email him one more time and hopefully he responds back to me. But I will see you guys at Brian's. Oh God, Brian. All right. Oh, dude, these will be easy.
I'm just gonna put it in.
Damn, Chris, this is the come up.
Thank you.
Chris sold the CBR for a Yamaha R1. Sheesh. A lot of plans for this. A lot of plans for this as well. All right, we're working with some nice cone filters, some silicone pipes, clamps. These are nice. The map sensor, okay. And some hardware bolts. All right, guys, update. The boys and I got the map sensors out. Currently getting the, well, we got the air filters out. Trying to move away to get these air filter boxes out and taking these little pipes out. We got all the clips out to the bumper and the under tray. Brian's trying to take out the take off the bumper.
Hank dropped the nav bolt down in the splash car.
So I gotta find it somewhere.
Where are you?
Where are you today? Yeah, that's.
Do you see this?
So we're right now.
What? Do you see? The clip is on the underside.
Oh fuck yeah! It is.
Fuck, that's annoying.
Funny, bro.
Update, Brian got all the clips to the bumper out. Oh my gosh. Currently assembling the Z1 cold air intakes. Alright, bud, just one big yeet.
What's holding it underneath?
Probably more bolts.
Oh, hey.
What? Hold it. Yeah, that's everything. Update,
It
so
only goes in one fucking.
just about finished. So got this part of the radiator to fit this big boy in.
Somehow.
Yeah, somehow took out this support here so we can fit in the cone filters.
Rip cold air intake.
It's okay. They'll still suck.
A little wrinkled.
Got the mask back in, so I'm gonna double check our work. It's pretty neat, dude. I dig it.
Hopefully they don't have problems.
Yeah, hopefully we don't throw any codes either. Well, you can feel them kind of sucking.
Couple tiny ones.
Update, got the bumper on. Almost all the bolts are secured. It's not coming off. Air intake install was a success. Right now, Brian and I will be cruising around, make sure there's no air leaking, and see how much the exhaust note has changed. Oh. The technology. Was this year? 2015?
Mm-hmm.
Prime that pump. are back home, everybody. Just want to say congratulations on making it to the end of the video, and thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Doing my absolute best to compose and create as much content as I can for you guys. But everything I'm doing now to the Skyline is very expensive. It is the next morning. I just got my federal tax return, still waiting on my state, and I get paid this upcoming Friday. So I will be purchasing the Split Fire coil packs, NGK Iridium spark plugs, and the Wiring Specialties coil pack wiring harness, and that's gonna run me at the cheapest place I can get them, about $700. So yeah, everything I'm doing now to the Skyline is gonna be very expensive, and I like to have 3 times my purchase before I buy anything. So that is the next project or next mod maintenance for the Skyline. And then for the Prelude, I really need to start working on this. I haven't been the most motivated lately. Honestly, you guys, have been very burnt out with all this work I've been doing on my main job and on my side jobs, and I'm just burnt out and I need to do some self-healing. But definitely next week going to be starting to work on the Prelude. I'm gonna hit up Brandon and some of my other boys to help me pull the motor, because I got all these parts chilling, and then we got to utilize the engine stand because these leaks are not going to fix themselves. I'm gonna hit up ESP Performance and ask the guy where my parts are at so I can just get the Prelude back on the road. It's been far too long. But other than that, guys, thank you so much again for your continuous love and support. And if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, that'd be awesome. And remember, aim high, drive low.